Hey everyone, welcome back. I am making this like, I guess you could call it jambalaya. I don't know. I wouldn't call it that. New Orleans folks, please don't get mad at me for calling it that. So we're just gonna say we got some sausage, chicken, and shrimp with rice, okay? In a spicy little tomato sauce. So anyway, I'm cutting up my andouille sausage. I put the whole pack in there, just because, like, why not, um, as you can see, I have some shrimp, and I'm gonna go ahead and pan sear these thighs. It doesn't take that long for thighs to cook, so it's not gonna take it that long for these bad boys to get to where you want them to be. Excuse me. So I'm gonna put the sausage in the same pan, but I realized this is too small. Let me change this on up. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. That's a little bit better, okay? So now we're able to just brown our sausage and our thighs. I just put a little salt and pepper on the thighs, nothing spectacular. And this is what we got going on. We chopped up some garlic, some green bell pepper. It called for like celery in one of these recipes that I seen online, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna wing it. I'm just gonna put in there what I want to put in there. So I added oregano, garlic, some Creole seasoning, and yeah, and that's about it. That was it for that. I think I might have added a little salt, but not very much because it was already some salt on the thighs. So I didn't do too much with that. Okay, with that, we're gonna have some rice. So, like, I made some rice later on, of course. So my husband said that he did not want all those big pieces in there. He wanted more chicken than sausage and shrimp. So I just cut them up a little bit. I usually would have, like, for real got in there and taken it off the bone, but ain't nobody got time for that. I just put them back in there like that, whatever. I added some petite diced tomatoes, some chicken broth, 1 can of chicken broth, and a bay leaf, and some more Creole seasoning. So I bought 2 cans of chicken broth because I thought I would need it, but I forgot that the petite diced shrimp, they have water or liquid in them as well. So I didn't end up needing that 2nd can of chicken broth. So it worked out pretty well. I put 2 bay leaves in there just for shits and giggles. You can put 1 if you want. I just put 2. And then I'm gonna let that simmer a little bit and do its thing for about maybe 15, 20 minutes, something like that. Just come back and check on it. Also, make sure you're tasting this while you're making it. You wanna make sure that it's seasoned to your liking, okay? I'm telling y'all, it's nothing worse than some unseasoned food. Ain't nobody got time for that either, okay? So that's why I had to double back and put a little bit more in there because I had tasted it. Now, this is the lasagna I had made for my kids. I made two dinners in one night because, yeah, why not? So that's that. I ended up putting it on broil for 500 to make the top a little bit darker and crispier. So we cooking now, right? We got it boiling. It's doing its thing. It's getting to where we need it to be. Yeah, we in there. Just a little bit more time. And then we'll be good. So you add your rice to that, and voila. I should have put a little bit more liquid in there, but other than that, awesome.
My bad. So the sausage is pretty good. I like the sausage. Let me try the shrimp.
Okay.
That's money, dude.
All right now.
That's some good food.
I love you.
I love you.